one more time. Welcome to the Top Notch Renovation Update, take number 43. This is my train station here, and I put in some buildings. I actually cut some plastic buildings down and put just the facades into the rock wall. And I'm going to dim the lights a little bit here so you can see the lighting underneath. I think it's pretty cool. And I do have to add street lights and stuff of that nature, and more people and shrubbery and stuff. But it's not coming along too shabby, I don't think. And again, those buildings, if you notice, the red building, there's half of the red building there. The other half of the red building is down there. And the same thing with the gray building over here and over here. I cut them in, basically, I cut them down to 2 inches front and back. And I have them built into the rock wall. And here's the station again. I tried to put the yellow strip in there. That's actual paint. Some of it peeled up a little bit. I got to fix that. If you see, you notice it's peeled up a touch right there, but it'll be fine. I had to repaint some of it. So let me know what you think. Here we go. Lights out one more time.